Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we have started a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio, right? So in this video, we are going to solve the practical question based upon the sacrificing and the gaining ratio, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the question, I am going to put the question on the screen. So let's do the question together. A, B were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. With effect from 1st April 2016, they agreed to share profit and losses equally. Calculate the individual partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio, right? So how you have to solve the question? Right? First of all, you write what is your old ratio and what is the new ratio given in the question. So in the question, they have told you that the old ratio were for the partners A and B 2:1, and from 1st April 2016 they have decided to share equally. That means this is your new profit sharing ratio. So as you can see, your old ratio is greater than your new ratio. What does it mean? कि पार्टनर A सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा है, तो आपको क्या करना है? सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो का फॉर्मूला लगाना है, जिसका फॉर्मूला होता है न्यू रेशियो ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस new ratio, right? So for A, your new ratio was 2:3 minus 1:2, and for partner B, your old ratio was 1:3 minus 1/2. Right? When you are going to solve this equation, you will get 1/6, positive 1/6, and negative 1/6. What does it mean? So I have told you this thing in the last video, that if there is a positive value in the sacrificing ratio, that is your sacrificing share. So in this case, आपका जो sacrificing share है वो है 1/6. So partner A is sacrificing 1/6 share of his, and partner B is gaining. Right? So how you are going to conclude the question? You are going to write as per the above calculation, partner A sacrificed 1/6 share and B gains 1/6 share. So this is the answer of your question. This is how you have to apply the formula of sacrificing ratio, and then you have to conclude your answer. Right? So I hope this is much clear to you. Now we are going to take few more questions. So let's take another question. Okay. So the next question that we are going to take is A, B and C were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. The partners decide to share the profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. Indicate each partner's gain and sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio. So, how you are going to solve the question? Write A, B and C. उनकी old ratio क्या है और उनकी new ratio क्या है? So, old ratio was 3:2:1 and the new ratio is given 2:2:1. Right? So as you can see in this ratio, your 3:2:1 and 2:2:1. So what are you going to do? You are simply going to apply your sacrificing ratio formula, which is old ratio minus new ratio. So for partner A, partner B and partner C. For partner A is coming out to be 3/6 minus 2/5. For partner B 2/6 minus 2/5. Partner C 1/6 minus 1/5, and when you will solve these equations, you will get 3/30, right? 2/30 and 1/30. This you will get as positive, this you will get as negative, and this you will get as negative. And you know, when there is a positive value in the sacrificing ratio, this means that this partner is sacrificing, and when there is a negative value, that means this partner is gaining. Similarly, this partner is also gaining. So now there is a conclusion. How you have to write a conclusion? You have to write that partner A sacrifice 2/30th share. ठीक है? Partner B gain 2/30th share. Similarly, C gains 1/30th share. So this is how you have to solve these questions. This is the answer of your question. You have to summarize after solving the question. I hope that after solving these two questions, the concept is much more clear to you.